this perfect starter home, which is a 3-room flat at 430A Bedok North. Once you enter the place, you will see that the owners actually spend quite a bit of money to renovate this 3-room flat. First of all, we want to mention inbuilt security system, whereby you can actually see who is outside the door, because you know sometimes the people is quite creepy. People from outside actually can look in, and sometimes when a property agent is not knocking your door, you don't know who is there. Then you open, they will know that there's like, they know you are inside watching. Jokes aside, but this is already inbuilt for you. So over here, right, you can actually see that the owners have done up the vanity mirror right beside the door, so you can wear your shoes, check yourself up, do your fit check, do your form check, see whether today you should like Steph Curry or not. And right at the back, there's actually a shoe cabinet that is installed within the recess area itself, which blocks off the bomb shelter as well. Sorry for being a bit long-winded, even though my voice is not well, but I really need to mention this because I think it's a well-thought design. So here you can actually put your keys, your wallet and whatnot, things that you know that you need to grab before you go out, so that you don't need to be scrambling around when you're late for your appointments as well. Owner was concerned whether this will be a problem selling, but if you watch my previous other videos, these days the BTO actually have an option for you to decide whether you want an enclosed kitchen or an open kitchen. The owners actually opted for the open kitchen, which I think was a good choice, because these days, right, people don't really do so much heavy cooking, and if you were to do heavy cooking, you actually have this slide and plug and conceal up this kitchen when you're actually doing your heavy cooking. At the back, there's also a yard, and 3-burner cooker hob has been done, an oven has been installed, and a good space for you to install your fridge for a small family over here. And every time I come to owner's house, I like to see where they go before. Why? Because I can ask them for recommendation on their itinerary in future. Moving into the space here, good size, it's about 3 meters width over here. When you sit down, you want a 85-inch TV also can, but I think it's a bit OP for 85-inch. And looking at the view outside, you will be able to see the sea view, but of course it's slightly blocked by Sky Eden at this point, but you're able to see an unblocked view because the blocks opposite are actually only 12 to 13 floors. This unit itself is on the 15th floor, a designated dining area where the owner actually put a beanbag over here, so it's like a chill zone. So really very flexible for you in case you have a growing up kid. This can be a play zone for them. You can actually have a small coffee table here while your wife is actually, or your husband is actually catching their Netflix, right? The busy one can be down here replying to your messages, doing your work, while spending time together doing what both of you love. Rooms wise, I like this. Can flex. So here you actually have a space. Owner uses this as a study zone. If you have a kid, this will be perfect as a nursery, or you have a grown-up kid, this can also be a room. If not, if you are single or whatnot, you can leave it as it is or become a small chill-out area, entertainment area. It's up to your own creativity. This toilet looks brand new. Nobody used before. Why? Because owner uses the master bathroom. Heater has been installed already, and the toilet is like brand new. So the owner's loss is your gain. In the master bedroom, owner maintained the place very well. It's like almost like brand new. This owner actually didn't think that they will sell in future. Many of my clients, they bought this note thinking that they will stay here for good. And that's why the house looks like new. This master toilet has been renovated. Owner, when they came in, they spent quite a bit of money. They spent about 60k renovating the place. And you can see where the money goes to. Why? Because they installed marble look-alike porcelain tiles. Basically, it's an overlay. And they also overlay the flooring. This is an overhang toilet bowl. BTOs, usually the toilet bowl is sitting on the ground, but owner actually did this. They actually have to push out the wall a little bit so that the mixer can be a standalone mixer, not the kind that you see on the normal BTO houses. The rest of the things in the toilet, pretty standard, but just want to mention some things is that there's a lot of storage already done over here. So whatever you required fixtures, right, like the fans and whatnot, the built-in wardrobes and all these, in this house, everything has already been done. So if you ask me, this is really a turnkey move-in condition. Now, in terms of location, if you're someone that don't drive, I think this unit will suit you as well because it's just about 600 meters walk to the MRT station. Moreover, if you have children that are going to school, within 1 km, you actually have good schools like Fengshan Primary, Yunnan Primary, Red Swastika School, and Bedok Green Primary School, 4 schools within 1 kilometer radius. And speaking of food, right, today Bedok is one of the foodies heaven, and if you watch my other videos, I always say Tampines to me is ulu lah because it's just a good place to stay. But when I want to eat, right, do you go Tampines to eat? Really, man? You purposely go Tampines to eat? Bedok not your first choice, man?
Tampines nearer for me.
Oh, really, man? So I always tell people, Bedok is where all the good food is. And after you go to Bedok, you can actually go down to East Coast Park to have a chill, alright? Go for a walk and all these things to burn your calories. And then after you can still go to East Coast Lagoon. Bedok, if you ask me, is a lot closer to town, and I have friends who stay at Bedok Reservoir. They always say driving distance to town is about 15-20 minutes. Before I start to oversell Bedok, right, over here within 600 meters, you're also walking distance to Bedok Point, Jitsu Mall, and also Bedok Mall as well, where the MRT station is. Looking at the price, many will say that, hey Marcus, this unit is asking for an arm or a leg. 3-room flats over here are only trading 300 over 1,000. Why will this unit command 700 plus K? So before you come to view the unit, you need to know that the blocks across, right, even though they're asking for 300 plus to 400K, right, actually that unit, those units are already almost 40 years. Technically, it's almost like balanced 50% of the lease only. So if you use a very simple mathematics to top up the lease plus the renovation, actually you should be paying 700 plus, even up to 800 over 1,000. So for this unit, certainly in terms of pricing, if you are a savvy buyer, this is definitely not overpriced. So if that come to the end of this video, wish to check out this unit, drop me a message and my team will be assisting you. Like, comment, subscribe and turn on notification bell because we post weekly videos like this. And if you wish to check out more videos about property investing, how to safeguard your property investment, or even upgrading tips, right, check out my other videos as well. Thanks for watching to the end. I'll see you at the next one. Bye.